I want to talk a little bit about the types of damages, as we lawyers call them, but the types or the elements of your claim in determining the value. So there's really two big buckets. We call them legally, we call them economic damages and non-economic damages. I generally refer to the non-economic damages as the human damages. To me, those are the most important. But economic damages under the law, think of those as reimbursements or pass through type damages. It's usually made up of medical bills, both in the past and in the future. Also, wages, right? Did your injuries cause you to lose income in the past? That's another type of economic damage. And same thing for wages in the future. Are your injuries in the future going to cause you to lose income or wages? So those are the most common types of economic damages. The non-economic or human damages, the most common, pretty much everybody has heard of, is pain and suffering, right? So some people will refer to them as pain and suffering damages, but under the law, there are actually seven different types of these damages. And so we have pain and suffering, physical impairment, inconvenience, loss of enjoyment of life, mental anguish. You get the point. These are the damages to the person or the effects on the person, the human. At Chubb Law, these are what we believe are the most valuable and important damages. I can tell you from doing this on a daily basis, the insurance company disagrees with us on that. And so lots of times that's really where the dispute on cases comes in is on the value of these human or non-economic damages. It's interesting under the law, there's what the law actually says is there's no exact formula or specific way to measure these types of damages. And so what the law says is ultimately if a case goes to trial, the jury's job is to come up with the value of these damages and base it on the evidence in the case, right? So that's really all the law says with respect to that. Obviously, if we go all the way to trial on a case, we have specific ways and recommendations. We have ways of presenting the human damages to the jury on the case, and we'll have recommendations on how they should measure these, but ultimately they get to do whatever they want.